Hi everyone, in this video I would be showing you how you can create and use your Power Automate flows in Copilot Studio. So if you create your flow as well as the Copilot bot in the default environment, you would not be able to access the flow because in default environment mostly you are not the admin. So for that reason you need to create a new environment, and that is the main trick. So without any further delay, let me just show you how to do that. You go to your Power Automate account. Once you are in your account, you will be able to see the admin center. And once you go to the admin center, you'd be able to see the option of creating the environment. You just hit on the environment and just create a new environment. For this demonstration, I'm just creating with my name, and I'm just taking the type as a developer, and then mostly it's a language and the currency, and you can just set it up and save this thing, and this new environment will start provisioning. So now it will take some time, so let's wait till this particular environments get provisioned. Okay, so now this environment is ready, and now if you just go to your Copilot Studio, and you can just select the environment that you just created. So for me, I created this environment. Okay, let me just refresh it once again. Okay, so I am in my default environment. Now I am going back to the environment which I just created. Okay, I'm just creating a custom Copilot and giving this name as test Copilot, and I will just create it into my environment. And that's basically the main trick. Actually, like when I started, I didn't knew it. I was actually trying to create that into my default environment, and once I create my flows, even after doing everything, my flows is working perfectly in the Power Automate platform, but I was not able to see or call that from my Copilot. But now I know it how to do, and I'm sharing that with you guys. And now if you just go to the topics, and you can just create a new topic, and we will be creating a flow from the Copilot interface itself. Like at least try to call that particular flow, and it will take us to our the environment which we created in Power Automate. So now if you go to call an action and you just hit on create flow, it will take you to Power Automate platforms, and it will just give you a template flow. I will not change anything. I will just save it because my main objective is just to see if I was able to access the flow from our Copilot bot. So for that reason, I'm whatever the Power Automate flow, the default one, I'm just saving this. I think I just need to save the draft, and I will just name it. Uh, let me give it the name as test flow. Okay, so I have done that, and I am just saving it. Now if I go back to my Copilot, ideally it should show me this new flow which I just created. Okay, let me just refresh. I think I need to refresh the page itself. I just refreshed the Copilot chatbot. but let me just refresh the speech altogether. Yes, the refresh has been completed. Just waiting for the topics to get loaded. Okay. And if I now call this action, I'm still not able to see the flow. Okay. What I can do is that I go back to my Power Automate platform. I will now just create a solution, or maybe if I already have a solution, any solution which is already created there, which I don't think will be because it's a new environment apart from the default one. But I would not keep my flow and the bot in the default one. I will just create another solution. Test Copilot Flow. I will select a default publisher and I will just create the solution. So yes, this is also one of the prerequisites that you need to keep the bot and the flow within one solution. But I'm not sure it is a very mandatory thing or not. Previously, I have seen that even if I create something from the Copilot bot itself, like just create a flow, just hit on that, and it takes me to the Power Automate platform. I create it. If I go back, it shows me that particular flow, but I'm not sure where is it due to, like I need to relog in or something like that. But let me do that, or maybe again refresh this page. Because what I remember, though it's written in the documentation that you need to put the flow and the bot within the same solution. Sometimes I have seen that I can access the instant cow flow which I have created in my Power Automate platforms within the Copilot Studio without keeping them into one solution, the same solution. So let me just again call this action. No, obviously it's not working. Let me go here and add this bot. Okay. Okay, I have added it. And now I will add the flow also. Within automation, I will just add the cloud flow. It should be outside my Dataverse. Okay, okay. I think the flow that I created here in the Power Automate platform itself, it's not showing up. Something wrong that I have done. Okay, I need. Okay, let me go back again to my flows. Okay, I think this is disabled. Let me edit this. Let me save it. Now if I go back, okay, let me try publishing it. It's getting published. Now if I go to my, yes, after published, I can now see the flow within my flows. Okay, now if I go back and again try to check it, maybe I need to refresh. Yes, page is completed to refresh. Okay, now I can see use. Yeah, so now this is the main thing which I wanted to show. Like, yeah, so it is optional, though it's mentioned in some of the forums as well as some documentations that you need to keep the flow as well as the bot into one single solution or the same solution. It's not mandatory anymore. If I create a bot, if I create a bot, uh, sorry, if I create the bot from my Copilot itself, I would be able to see it. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show. I think now you can utilize Power Automate Flows, which is a very powerful thing in your Copilot bots. Hope this video helps you with that. I will be signing off. Thanks.